So let's say that you're working on some huge, disgusting math problem, and when you finally grind out an answer, you see this monster. You look over the gibberish that is your work and realize that the teacher requires other than a decimal answer. In desperation, you multiply by 7. When that doesn't produce anything familiar, you try 13, and even just for laughs, you try 42 before dialing the suicide hotline, or worse, your ex. Don't panic. We got you covered. Today on Pentagram Prime, we're going to use geometric series to reverse engineer repeating decimals. This is a geometric series. It consists of a real number a multiplied times the summation of powers of a real number r. For absolute values of r less than or equal to 1, the series converges and can be represented as a over 1 minus r. So if you are aware of the pattern that the repeating decimals in your mystery number follow, then you can find the associated powers of 10 for each iteration. With this information, we can express the mystery number as a constant plus a geometric series. The line across the top here indicates that these are the repeating decimals, so that we don't need to write them out over and over again. Since 1 over 10 to the third is less than 1, the series in question converges, and we can express it using the aforementioned formula. Pause for a drink and let this sink in. So from here it's just arithmetic, and I'd rather not hold your hand through all of it. All set? Good. Let's try another. First we expand the mystery number into a constant plus a series with terms comprised of a constant integer divided by the appropriate power of 10. You can skip the sigma notation, but I prefer it. Substitute in for a and r, then do the arithmetic. The funny thing about this technique is that, while it's incredibly obvious in hindsight, I know for a fact that I would have beaten my head against a wall for an hour trying to figure out either of the preceding problems had they appeared on a pop quiz just before I read the section where I saw them. Anyway, now I'm going to go play some video games. Does anyone here know how to land a plane? Till next time, this is Pentagram Prime signing off.